How to change Windows Power Mode in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to switch between performance and energy-saving settings. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on System. From there, click on Power and Battery. At this point, scroll down and click on Power Mode. In the next step, click on the drop-down menu. Following this, you'll see options like Best Power Efficiency, Balanced, and Best Performance. Once done, select a mode that fits what you need, whether that's longer battery life or maximum performance. From here, this setting applies instantly once selected. At this stage, keep in mind Best Performance uses more power and can increase heat or fan noise, while Best Power Efficiency reduces performance to save battery. Keep in mind, some laptops may show different power mode options while plugged in versus running on battery, so check both scenarios if needed. Finally, close the settings window once you've selected your preferred power mode. And that's it! If this guide helped you change Windows Power Mode in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!